You might think that Singapore shuts down during Lunar New Year, but it's actually one of the best times to visit. I filmed this while working on board a cruise ship during my Asia contract, and we had the best time. I'm going to share 5 things that we did in Singapore around Lunar New Year. I'm Laura, I work on cruise ships, and welcome back to Go Going Global. Number 1 is to go to the gardens by the bay and see the light show, because over Lunar New Year they have one especially for it. Number 2 is to watch the laser light show from a rooftop bar. We watched a drone show over the Marina Bay Sands, and I would so recommend the rooftop bar at the Pullman Hotel. So do not miss the special events that they put on, because they really do go to town. Number 3 is obviously to go to Chinatown in the day so that you can see all of the colours and excitement. Okay everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today where are we going, Betty?
Chinatown.
We're going to Chinatown, and actually we're catching the LRT today, which is the second time since we've been here. We're money saving. Usually we always catch grabs, but we're on the MIT, which is like the underground in Singapore. So we're going to go meet Betty's friend from travelling in Chinatown. We're going to have the best day. We're going to go get a nice lunch and start living.
So much. I hope Molly is too.
We're in Chinatown in Chinese New Year time. How cool is that? Welcome to Chinatown of Singapore. And for once, it's a beautiful sunny day. You excited?
Yeah.
Number 4 is to eat outside the Buddha Tooth Relic. Obviously, usually you get recommended to not eat in the tourist hotspots, but this was great value, soaking up the ambience, the views, and great food. And number 5, you have to visit Chinatown at night as well, because here it comes even more alive. So grab a table, grab some great food, and enjoy. So what Lunar New Year is really like in Singapore? Is it worth visiting whilst on a cruise ship? Absolutely. If you can plan your cruise to Singapore over Lunar New Year, then you will not be disappointed. It is so much fun. If they do an overnight in Singapore, that is even better, because then you get to experience day and night. Where are we? We are in Tomo. We're in Tomo Cafe now, in the district of... What district did you say we're in? Outram Park. Outram. We're in Outram. I've met a Vista. And this is my matcha. Wow. I just think in Asia they have the cutest cafes in the world. It's so much better. We're doing the bus. We're so local. We went to a local shop. Well, they didn't get local stuff. Huh? Love it. You're so local.
So local. And so comfortable. Ketchup crisps.
Ketchup crisps. I'm so buzzing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for watching. My next couple of videos are brunch in Penang in Georgetown. I may even do a video on my DJI Pocket 3 because I absolutely love it. And if you're heading to Lam Shabang for Bangkok on a cruise, I've actually got a secret thing to do, but definitely check out those next few videos. They go live every Wednesday evening. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!